Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to upload trial reels on Instagram. So firstly you need to open the Instagram app, and after that in the top left corner there's this plus icon. Select there, and here you need to select this reel in the bottom, and in the bottom left again there's your library section. Select there and select one of the photos or the videos that you want to upload by selecting, and tap onto this next on the bottom right. And here again, you need to select this next in the bottom right. Over here, you can edit it, you can add a caption, you can also put a hashtag, and after that, you can scroll a bit down. And here you'll find this icon for a trial, and you can tap onto this trial reel. As it's not available in this region, you can simply turn it on as a post as a reel, and your reel will be first shown mainly to the non-followers instead of your followers, so you can test performance before posting publicly. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.